పంచదార బొమ్మ బొమ్మ పట్టుకోవద్దనకమ్మ మంచు పూల కొమ్మ కొమ్మ ముట్టుకోవద్దనకమ్మ
Hello, Kajal.
చేతినే తాకొద్దంటే చెంతకే రావద్దంటే ఏమవుతానమ్మా నిన్ను పొందేటందుకే పుట్టానే గుమ్మ. వెల్కమ్ కాజల్. సార్ గట్టిగా చప్పట్లండి కాజల్ గారికి. వెల్కమ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ కాజల్ ఫర్ కమింగ్. చూస్తున్నారు కదా మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ చాలా ఎక్సైట్ అయిపోతున్నారు మీరు వచ్చారని. మరి కాజల్ ఎవరు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Hi, Kajal.
Hi.
Can you dab for us?
Straight. This is like the first thing that you want me to do as soon as I walk in on stage.
Obviously.
Okay, I will, but in a bit.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Yeah, definitely.
But you will dance here with me.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు అడుగుతారు? నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ కాజల్ కి?
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, సో కాజల్ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో ఎవరని అడుగుతున్నారు ఇక్కడ. ఫేవరెట్ హీరో?
నా ఫేవరెట్ హీరో?
ఎస్.
ఏంటండి ఎంత ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది?
డిప్లొమాటిక్
ఆన్సర్ మాత్రం ఇవ్వద్దు, స్ట్రైట్ గా చెప్పాలి.
No, but I'm not trying to be diplomatic here, but in all honesty, they are all my good friends. So I can't really choose any one person because I've had a great working rapport with all of them. And I think they're all very, very good actors, obviously. That's why they are where they are. So everyone works really hard. We all put in our best. And I can't choose one. It won't be right.
గ్రేట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
I can't see, so I'm going to walk ahead. Better.
Hi
Right?
Kajal, this is Gayatri.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you as well. Even though I can barely see you.
What does it take to be a good actor?
A lot of hard work. Having to give up on your personal life.
Yes.
Basically not having a life. And working in all sorts of conditions, all sorts of weather conditions, regardless of anything that happens in your life. So if there's something that you're really excited about and it's like the happiest day of your life, you still have to go on set and cry. And you have to be very convincing when you cry. Or if it's the saddest moment of your life, you still have to go on set and do a comedy scene. So basically forgetting who you are and living for that particular moment with a lot of hard work and perseverance.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ మీకు ఒక బుల్లి అభిమానులు ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ.
Hi, my name is Narvi.
Hi, you want to come ahead?
Yeah.
We can't see you.
I wanted to ask, what was your favorite movie that you acted in?
Oh.
My favorite movie. So there are a couple of movies which I really enjoyed acting in. One of them, of course, Magadhira was an iconic film for me. It was like a stepping stone for everything in my life. And I guess I'm here today all thanks to Rajamouli sir and all thanks to Magadhira. But my absolute favorite movie performance-wise was Mr. Perfect for me.
గ్రేట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Over here, Andy. Over here. In the front.
Hi.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you. You're such a delightful person.
Thank you so
And
much.
Thank you so much for coming to the States and, participating.
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you so much for having me here.
And a
It's
question for
wonderful
you real
interacting with you
quick.
guys.
Question for you real quick. Do you have any advice for all the youngsters who have come to see you? I know a lot of them are, aspiring to be movie actresses. They take so much inspiration from you guys. But please give them a good advice so they don't get carried away. Thank you.
Well, of course, absolutely. I would like to tell all the lovely young people, all my lovely young friends here, that believe in your dreams and do all that it takes to chase your dream. And you have just one life, so dream big and do whatever it takes to make sure you achieve it.
యా, ఫ్రమ్ హియర్.
Hi, Kajal. My
Hi.
name is Rishita, and I'm a huge fan of yours.
Thank you.
And you are so beautiful. How do you keep your face so fresh and young?
Sweetheart, do you know how tired and jet lagged I am right now? But well, thank you so much. I guess it's just about being happy. That's all it takes. Just be happy and be true and honest. I mean, that's what really reflects on your face. So as long as you're honest with yourself, I don't think any amount of cosmetic treatments or any artificial creams or anything will really make a difference. Or makeup. It's all from within.
Hi, Kajol. I'm
Hi.
Meghna. Do you prefer shooting in India or in foreign countries? What's the best part about making a movie?
So, you know, we're really spoilt in India. And we love being spoilt. And trust me, shooting in India is far easier than shooting anywhere else in the country. Right, guys? So I'm just discussing with them about shooting in India vis-a-vis shooting anywhere abroad. And what do you all prefer?
India or foreign countries?
India, right?
India.
I guess it's India for all of us. Because when we are in India, we have everything at our disposal. Right? We have people driving us around, people taking care of things for us, our personal trainers, this, that, everything. Mom comes and cooks for me, so everything. But when we're shooting abroad, it's really difficult because you have to reduce your number of your entourage that travels with you. You have to do things on your own. Plus the traumatic weather conditions make it very difficult. So India.
Thank you, Kajal. Thank you so much. We are very
Thank
sorry.
you. And last question.
Can I take a hug? Can I have a hug and take a selfie with you?
Sorry?
Can I have a hug and take a selfie with you?
Of course, come. What's your name?
I'm Kriti.
Hi, Kriti. Come.
So,
Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you so much. I would also like to invite
Thank you so much, guys. So nice chatting with you all. I still have to dance with him. We will.
And the
Let
last
them,
No, please.
let them finish what they're doing. Then we'll dance. Okay.